Bofaga. Let me get a stand up on Yellow Song of the Tapatiaro, and the Yamasa, and Timba Tangel, which are people who are the Yellow Social Sunday, 103.3, a Catholic Yosmura freestyle section knowledge, coming here a Pete Jamil Kikoro, and Catapoya Gutaba. Superstar.
That's right.
So, take a music career, hip hop, can't use that.
Yes.
And a hip hop ma, I tell them to favor Yelanda.
Yeah, exactly. Believe that from the hip hop, Tilang Palaka Bulivia, the Yadin, Faithful Mavilla.
Okay.
According to Tima, Tima to Soma Chanshama, Tipa Pamela Dibu Stop, Gapuin two tap channel.
Okay.
Hip hop man in favor.
Okay.
But only that, I want to add up to what you just said.
Okay.
I'm not all through a hip hop artist.
Okay.
Because of music industry, you have to be versatile. You need to always surprise your fans.
Okay.
So, in total expected hip hop inside can surprise and be shout. Yeah, it's part of me.
Okay, okay. So, for how long I'm the For how long I'm starting?
I must say that music now, Unkusola Hilapuni, because Uncle Pormaka, family Mazamine, Uzoma, Uncle
Okay.
So, I can't condemn Nundel come to so, but I'll tell you. I won't pose, it's a family issue.
Okay.
Yeah, so. Unkuto gauge exactly time and this started going forward from Kayin Deal and little bit my own stuff as an absolute.
Okay. So, will I inspire Katu Paylan and Mukatu Kunya and Ninyam Katu Paylan?
Yaman also inspired my family music in the JC of America. Yeah, growing up, I had a hold of him. Okay, Mumu Ilan and Pam. Tavakara to Bandura Shana. Yeah.
So, when you get back here, King Koros, will I get King Koros because Yama Program
King Korot. Kim Korot Nella hip hop rapper based in Tamale.
Okay.
Yeah, specifically Viting. Lumarika based in Pam.
Viting superstar.
Yeah, that's just what I can say about King Korot.
Okay. So the other Shamba Yara she can tell Yara Beach Shawanda Barkapu the Kabale. Are you ready for that?
I'm 100% ready.
Paluna. Allah, super.
Okay. 225 Nation fans. That's right. But I want you to home.
Yeah, we did.
Shut up. Jeep. Stand up and do this. That's right. Okay, Chama, sana tikuto jambo kuna nang makambu dego hando tingaba njambalu tuna lego swala yunla manisapula hashego himo yana to solu kanda zang dego yana ko tikunga shawi akuto dego manila o hani zungo to manashi fego himo zo undi bela gore tablet mandila na chanti so achi ya problem tablet yana ko tunda kama baza mo bali kadu yui ko bahane no bali ko niru benda ya romanda mani mo intale wahame bugaya kabopo osiro kali sana tungala shiri mambiya no na injo oda chama mkachanti goli jojo kamba sabu nyuli yom kabacho asheka chingilingi kama nswala macho todiku yui kola foli tu poncho ashe mami jojo numza pincho sana tunu body chip shali inye jojo onini dabele manungu ho yo osabu dabu fela manungu ho yombo desire lugo tumbo nungma mbo kayal mana injale bani chale bano bel habono bumde nlomba ulahaje unfongba baba maniba kabisang bago ndatu sana tulela taxi kajo kamchara sana tulela taya kajo kamtwara biswato yali mantene mpora numa kutoto haligodo se utwara nsaya no mpora amanta yumata ayamborola zo yile kabinya be kagba dolombo de tila kabinya babuje niti ya ni ibo ome kale sangle le yara tata ala mi kupa niti ya ni ibo ome fana wa kibe chobo le na ya mi kama saka tufa amule kade sabato ni jumna katufa vangiyo la paso ngani nazo ufa mama mangila mbala kaso style ka mfa Nyama yama ngete pala ya wakanyampa Mantiri tulma pamadi kapampa Nufilishi nishalo panye dabata Nabune tuma arsiki yambula tabata Maleji maliyam manika antunisa Nibu filma pam Bezo debo tunisam Mapasil minga Bezo umbitami sam Halijali kalibani zazana kanga Abu mikashi matolinji malum niga Makaya Bezo mawepo ninyega Bezo numbondi malayam garana Dumbubuna maliyam pana Makuto maliyam pagobulanba Fadawan.
Yeah, we did.
That's right. Stand up on.
Allah super.
Sumo minute ane katiyang puicho. Padere yina no nampan cho. Oki habu mana gumacho. Abor paba. Shega pala cho. Mbona itala na guyangu masolo au. Kache ya, bisom bono ti mapo. Amu na mami, kampanya de pa ko. Excuse me, stana. Njana bolo kong. Ama akuto 10 ba akukong. Kabi mo biso ama kayal money 2 to 5. No bola mili. This girl she want killy. You gotta know me jane and dilly. But still I the feely. Stana.
Allah super.
That's right.
Yaman, draw.
Munafiki kam humu freestyle ngaka tuba.
Allah super.
That's right. Munafiki kam. Azala nenu mo blengo kabiangu. Debunya. That's right. That's right. DJ Shatta is holding me down. 225 Nation.
We did.
King Corrupt.
Yaman.
That's right. Dinyaya. Nikan gisilmetun kuna tukong yilim yabo. Nitaba man kong de la chabo. Haters anthem number down the chabo. Abochi ala ya ganka. Fali gaskiya ina na sanka. Nuso la tusho. Mare le banka tu banka. Kang marindir bishiri. Le banka kanka. Dumli musa ha baraka kanfa. Bingo so nendela yi kafa. Onyam bisun kadekana. Go tafa umbafa. Nzongo bori dawa kapalala. Oti cham hashi okunyo kaaba. Dabu basul nirbe nyase. De mampa kaaba. Mbeta malika story be yaba. Nizangan top sutini yaba. Nikan zamba su kwalika ni yaba. Nikabu bori nibu nyamakan kaaba. Nikabu tu bori nibu jonakan karba. Nala buku hano bu omkan paba. Nikapalala ninan kuto paba. Yetuali mwenye yaki yarle. Kasofu omna betaki nyarle. Nrapma yaran balaki yarle. Yalun kupo omanga. Sholu la yarle. That's right. That's verse 1. Verse 2 is coming, verse 3 will follow. 2 to 5 Nation.
We did.
We corrupt this year. Yeah. That's right. Yeah. Iwumna baya tama nere la antuba. Ani manu sumang be banu suma. Nukula kanya graduate kashere panu. Unku sakin sali shere kashere panu. Unku sakin nyakamri kakere karu. Puloro famuntanga shenen katuna abseka cha utenga shebun karu nambo. Ka aleba ansar se kabamana kabayiri yala biana babumana katizanya labnyanga lanla makuya swela bupia yala pumpundung gare pia ina misun tuzubia iyalunen lanlu ifiwa nyama toka babunyara kayata nkadal munibina kabadata ibachaga la kafusi kwa marinori tukulanzo kumka ikwanzali dori sonu pa ya ta kutonja muksinte ba ho nyini mamangni pa yiri mobile mises angwar glasasa pangmi mangi kilwa itu jang bar sitango bla i5 kana ya tila bulwa masubu uswa pangmi mangi kilwa inori bunini isuru da bar itu kuni ha munafiki bulmanu konkonsa amin ko fifila la pumpa amponsa aku chale kan tuba gani tosa I speed too much no posa I gahama chwa only josa ala song ma hesa no koti kota yembola 6 inches stroke with choker kabo 2x4 bracer ina kancho abiche gulma ni cha tiyongo mza mono sumungongo nitichali ya shintwa ne kasom la do nteti katwale katukunye ndo sal kamara tijeng luau dongonche katupana pa so ko kata de shali oyo nambo dongon kuto sante magwa no manguna no dagu mati madapo amampon yaba pa vire asba pa gunye nyon de ko dai kula ne kunu ko kamna no tinyan chang yali ala god na yu ganyin di change dinya kombel kam god na kol ka chin cham kam god na swali. That's right.
Allah super.
It's not a boy on the beat. It's not a boy on the beat.
Jamming on your money.
Wanna cha.
That's right.
Yaman.
That's right. Shama. Hype down na komi okuna no mo ada pesca to babahi kazuna. Da kwambu ni sungo kabampu sikwasi mbole nisuna sungo la sungo yan kapsla dina malfango sono ko hata dima be kan shina ka bi kan dima atinda ko amni ka shan kan yatima mai ka san kwadu palan dirla tima adimi te baga ni ba masma fans no balum so many gates banti manam nguma spiritual waters kachi yengo so many actors kabondi bumanga the rappers dada tabakati pamudi dimi bankula pa kanwa empala nanzwa no bom bawa manubala ma bunkum da ashawa ndoni ichak malela abawa kamishia mala bunjar papa kapo chamkan tejo pasa amala mang masra tabuna ka atabion chamka masa pasa ka tonyo kose kata ngol mas upa ayun samba ko gabalo sasa adumle bay muniki ni pasa umal kulmo puli tausa sasa one tichama nabi jiwa dala anabu kongo beat jamino anabu kongo dala anabu kongo king corrupt anabu kongo jamino anabu kongo Ana Bukongo, Ana Bukongo, Dallas. Hey, Ana Bukongo, beat, Jamilo, Ana Bukongo. Ana Bukongo, Jamilo, Ana Bukongo. That's right. Mina mapana kaya nubu salemu daba ngepuri ana nubu salem lemu mafas mina maria kama yang nubu palem paling bengom cama hal mariam ana baga mahan lemu zahan lemu bital lemu rap ma ben wasin ka lemu yang kutla lar ma tan lemu abachine ma abaka lemu bapi mina lyrical trouble de ko tom simal la pa bobe ko ata sala tu ras ba sarina de kwenche ko to de swalina kami shatu hal ti twana bolle isam ya fala mun bolle dunwa kare tambi popoje so come for minimum boy speech to titor pama pensino minimum fi bijala nin kana ko mansan bazoi amal borle atadasha kapona ku ko so ngen no la ka mi le yobi latifo nin kuto yobi kachi akongo shegu kan shega milo ha JYC omega chibenti so join the albino na bichiwa hala bo jamilo hala bo hala bo king corrupt hala bo ha dala 225 nationals. Ana Bukongo. That's right. Manang tila rap kapasera so pati film apokati. So a favorite rapper eating the ukara ni tabu pakati. Ha, bamia sana le 225 fans mandiga wakati. Serladira bela yunda mbola pakati. Mambia rapida masuka yerego ayi mbola jungle go. Ukunda mama bola gentle go. Mini bantaba katibol down the sumuna yila katibol le kizangu. So sumbala ensebla cipher. Yendama yamo tabu safa. Wali yama rappers man tankele man jaruba. Rappers kasa uda man so arban welka bamala. Ashe man upal ban fans so fast yama. Jaruba. That's right. That's right.
This is a big Shabala. Happy to Jamilo, come from Yerna, Kim Koro. Come to Yella, when it comes to Yella Hip Hop, what you like it or not, that Bamsa, or Coco Nigeria. Another more beauty Jamila Bambala, I wouldn't like Yella of no Muda, I'll feel a yellow pocket. Kind of powers over Kim Koro, beauty Jamilo. And then they get Shabala. Obijar beat, about the way to work over the Jamilo Bijato, I would never Capune, and make a yeta bandana canayela hipopolo, and Trana Yangela and Capachi, attack a patch Macatene Tibe, and Patrick is like what Langan was over by Yella Greater Dale, I think over the orange, or you want to Yella Kikoro, and when you come to Yella Hip Hop, bigger. That's right. I don't think it's Shambala, about Yella Kikoro, Yella Freestyle section Mambala. It's on Kundam no Sarkati Tonto, a yellow music career, Kalamna can come here a person of Vashamgo, a Katian Kol Vasham, a Mapuya, Yapaki, Malbasum Chekat Nongula, a Wunda Bakapuna to Fugo Kena to one head, the Chekat Nongula, Casulusia and Father Pam, then like you can get a Michigan in your tomato, then the kind of the more battle, I get it was someone and the Amfane, a few color.
Skinny nigga.
Yama. Dia patu mama kuto ya patu nyama. Baru nya binde sempela pe. Yama. Kanga ruka kari jeme kambufu like gaska yama. Okay, that one.
Yeah, big one.
Wala kala le to no to compose la people ma dans tout. Kim Koro.
Actually, excuse me.
Okay.
Corrupt that coming around like studio.
Okay.
Then he had this concept.
Okay.
Like Beat Jamilo.
Beat Jamilo.
Ayahu.
Okay.
Then he told me about it.
Okay.
Kayalma like if I can play something like a hot beat,
Okay.
that he would do something with that. Then I was like, okay, you should give me like 2 days.
2 days. Okay.
Because I want to play something different.
Okay.
Because like not a hip hop song, but this time around I felt like I should do something very different.
Okay.
So that like because like you know my Beat Jamilo,
Beat Jamilo, yes.
like it's a heavy thing.
Yes.
That I've been to do Beat Jamilo Charlie.
Oh, yeah, beat. Beat can one panda ya.
Me la kuba na nkur beat ma kar kumari ya ka very tough and difficult. And still without follow up with it.
Okay.
And I was impressed.
Okay.
So I just took my time.
Okay.
We recorded it.
Okay.
And mixed it and mastered it.
Okay.
Very well.
Okay. So as a sound engineer, lena kamande bands mo matapte. Ula ka yen no the region be tamale. Come to some something kama hip hop artist no mama. Okay, if you just make it in our local language, you can say it in English.
Yeah, like you should.
As a sound engineer like you,
yeah.
You know there are a lot of people who are doing hip hop in Tamale. As maybe you see, the northern region like this or Tamale per se, you see hip hop artists. They are not be growing for the industry. As a sound engineer, what advice do you want to tell Tamil people for them to have much concentration on these artists who are doing hip hop? People like King Corrupt.
Yeah. The thing is that actually we've got good hip hop artists down here in the north.
Okay.
But they shouldn't give up thinking that because people down here in the north don't like hip hop.
Okay.
So they should lose them and they'll relax about that.
Okay.
No, very soon we are taking over.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Yeah.
For sure.
So they should just always like encourage themselves.
Okay.
Never give up and just do what they know they can do best.
Okay.
And we the engineers out there too.
Okay.
They should just look for some of us so that we can get them a very good beat for them to jump on and make waves.
Okay. Yeah. So Stanabo, I've been hearing your name Stanabo. Exactly where your studio is in Tamale. Where do you locate? This artist on
Full. Yeah. I've got a home studio in the house.
Okay.
And another one at Full.
Okay.
But that one, it belongs to a music group.
Okay.
A label.
Guru
Music.
Guru Music. Okay.
Yeah, I'm their engineer too.
Okay.
I work with them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if anybody needs me, either get my contact, call me, or you just come down to Full and say you want the studio down at Full. Then everybody.
Stanabo.
Yeah.
That's when you are going to Stanabo studio. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll come back to you so that you raise the number one. Let me go back to Tiaro. Mama Mambone, Mbuala Water Rashambo, Kalam Nara Warmasa. Marunama, Makina, Mbono Kubwa, before Canada Mera Warmasa, Kana Samana to the Yeramo, Canada Sama, which is a okay, Tiaro. Ayi Bangana. Keep corrupt. Wula lenya yara apusha zanka banga mapul because mami mostly Tiaro na my program when which are going to banga develop maybe uhito meeting and presenters and logo for show ma wula lenya asomtum zanka na laga ni mapul.
It's a compola sambana za kapo 225 Asian funds. It's a ukwabelenka umwaza today. My mama bangwa ku bossa no gar katinanga. Kama anya King Corrupt. It's a onyala bansu. Umma bansam pan. Mbara ku jinme. Nle to form man. It's a ukunkun ku ben kanya banga. 15 mara kanya banga. Garmalia. So ganda ku mo yida. No, this guy on two number shop. So Camilo parents were that one tower. So Gambaya young persons in English. So don't come.
So I'm a human near Nita Bang Mafinger, Gavatan. The command, the Pumpo, either who Bangla Bishop and Hitter Bang. About the Makasi Hitter can use with them. A fancy
Butin is out with him. But don't start Tamagina, not to dig. King Corrupt. That's on Sosa. So someone yet done. Come out, you know. Push Michel. It's our Yarapan.
Year 2021.
After
no number. Yet to go and get a no
Mammy, no longer but to come down my galley to under. To reach out to Gina. Kayabian Pump. You got Gina Kabsat. So King Corrupt, watch out. King Corrupt. I young. Umpunyurole. I am Kara. Young. Certain Tem at Bayiniman.
I see.
Yes.
Can you Mamma show be a champ
to Mamma show one yet and son.
Got
to Mamma show in yellow. Then Yummy come out like so quantum ma.
Okay.
Ya to anima.
Okay, to jam. King Corrupt.
Yes.
Wow, tutu
nation. Ukula shanta yaro fans man. Book watch me out. Banka be yara pamno.
Okay.
Zanchan because the man ya community apply be yara pam.
Okay.
So bumpo to ba ina wati na za. Let's go untal King Corrupt.
Okay.
Uba diaso. People ba zuge.
Okay.
So unta mami kunyi rest me don't follow. Ma gwana bole ni do man.
Yes, mama, the serious that's it. Okay, check out the channel about the channel kala King Corrupt and one of us in Wachamo. Kakara katinya social media handles shanga dili kami body la King Corrupt yilanma ula ko enon yar before katna ko baga. King Corrupt. To come at the collaboration in Tamale. Do you have a Lalam Yana Min Yara Bass for my own collaboration? Yana Kubana Kura Yilana didn't know Kabinta Kabuashi.
Manian no collaboration.
Okay.
Because Bango Kutubia and Kaba admire Ubantaba.
Okay.
Aku Bangaba, Aku Aina Banshaba. Kakuli Bilan.
Okay.
So Karu Zasaka a Fichiba. Albasitana knew some time ago, but Team Man that my advice. Team Madame no force Bakanapuzan Konko Banks and Bunkarashana. Okay. So that Surakarabun Ifichi Bankar, like Kano Nongesha. Did Chanton de Malangun Yimana. Okay. So Naku boom in Bankson. Okay. So that's how can we have beat Jamilu. And apart from that, it's not good to hear them be on the pipeline, but cannot get beat Jamilu. Okay. The Dam Pump.
So beat Jamilu when you the video.
To the video.
Okay.
So the be edit to pull about the number 9. But I'm going to part to Lana Zoom and be a champion.
So they come at the Bangama, a team 2-2 nation, right? 2-5 nation. But come finger and in
2-5 nation must so far pound of pump. Okay. Because Biamu Pulum is a DJ. I never take a Bombay. Album character Canaba. Okay. So the little things they are doing for me, I appreciate all those things. Okay. So now we encourage them, they should do more. Yeah, because music might say competition in Yali. Okay. Kabuinga Konkonye Bangana, Banks and Bongo Kuto you. Okay. Like Nigerian artist Bank Kabondo Orezi. Okay. Orezi that you know sometimes go to talent without money is useless. Okay. So nobody to nation to Ashalamba. We need money to work. Okay. So they should be serious about that so that and we need new members. Okay. And like the reason they come and put them on the nation. Okay. Anybody if you just love the nation, if you love my music, come on Yarangoma. Okay. DJ to surprise you the phone come Kaichang and the 225 fan no money. Okay. We have our fans that come all over, yeah. So that kind of this thing. Yes. Pete Jamilo. Favorite Timbala. Yes. Okay, thank you so much. Can you tell me what's about Shamgo? A Kalamna at the Jungle Valley. There's a Catalan Makaibi, a Diti Jamilo Damaki Wuma, King Corrupt, and those are I don't know what I'm talking. King Corrupt, Diti Jamilo.
Yeah, basically.
Social media handles.
Jamilo, it's a social media handles, man. Okay. I could treat audio mark. Okay. Teammate 2-5 nation. 2-5 nation. Yeah. Okay. It's a anti-down fan. Okay. Like social media handles, man. I could change the type. Okay. It's a annually. Okay. Katilam Mal WhatsApp line. Okay. So I took no hide as well. Okay. To teach anti and fan one nation. Okay. So number one 055 29 48 007 055 29 48 007. Yeah, I couldn't hide. Okay. King Corrupt in the camp. In your shamba. Did Jamilo in 1 year? I'm a father. It's our team Mazuya. Okay. But for the Sumana Kuchana 2-5 nation. Okay. It's to put the team Maza. It's another Punya, Banajika to Zetomama. Okay. Lolo kam got to get the government.
Yeah, no.
So I had a show in Yellow got to Canada and it's out in the Pershima.
Beat the champion.
So I never John show and Shannon.
Okay.
Now the console here.
Who what?
Because show mama, woman that bullet she.
Who what?
Yes. You will have call one. Community feel like that. So they don't want to come out for Tonoma. Tap song, the bang, my yara can corrupt.
Okay.
225 Nation, Bangama, tap song about the Zoge.
Okay.
So, for a 225 Nation fan camp, Kapur of Tonza.
Okay.
Kapur of other nation, man.
Okay.
For a best entertainment group, no.
Okay.
Kapur Galaxy Empires.
Okay.
So, for a bar with Shane, I even that.
Okay.
It's our money, Kapur Don Ivy. Wise Nation. Yeah, we did. It's neither support, man. So, man. DJ.
Okay.
To the Jeep.
Okay.
And the one that the boiler Jeep number.
Okay.
Buy for Mazo.
The Katali.
It's I could born out there. America Imara.
Okay.
Gabon, locality.
Oh, Jackson photo.
Thank you. Locality in Jackson. Amala, Ayila, couple video number. Aku.
The manager of Madam Bango.
Problem can.
But all
quality we shall come.
Okay.
So number man yala 024
024
51
51
20
20
902
902
024
024
51
51
20
20
902
902.
Sa cameraman ma number mbala.
Okay. Okay.
So Jeep I'm no high. It's a guy call.
Okay.
Them come down on ya.
I'm both father.
So respect.
Okay, check out mother what I'm yara Sanabo can't go to the yellow column part to look on Mantica Temple. Sanabo.
Yeah,
Your final words. How we just conclude?
Oh, I guess. So as I was saying.
Okay.
Yeah. All the artists them,
okay.
We like they do hip hop and stuff.
Okay.
Charlie, they forgive him. Because this nigga here,
okay.
I don't believe in him. That's why I carry him. Come. Okay. Me, we know be friends.
Yes.
We be more like brothers.
Who was? Hannibal.
So I the one make I hear stuff like. I the one they hear like different artists dance to the flow, but like on beats like the way it is.
Oh, you do. Okay.
So therefore know. Like make somebody ground them, like deceive them. What you are doing is not good, blah blah blah.
Okay.
Something is gonna happen.
Okay. So I want you to mention your phone number so that those artists who want to record a song as a Stunner Boy, so that you come to your
so if you need Stunner Boy, I'm in full. The studio is at full. And my number is 0540
0540
21 60 34 0540
0540
21 60 34. Yeah.
Okay, so come and cook cola.
Yeah.
So when you are record video like that.
Mixtapes, everything.
Everything. Okay, but I can't shout out.
Oh, I give shout outs to my fans, my loved ones.
The Stunner Boy fans.
Yeah, but big shout outs goes to T-Bed.
T-Bed.
Yeah, T-Bed.
Tiny Bed.
Yeah, Tiny Bed. Olatunde. Yeah, I've got a song coming up. I think that will be dropping this after this fasting. Yeah. And we are working on the video. So and all my loved ones. Yeah, I can't mention everybody.
So you don't greet your wife or you don't have wife?
Oh, anyway.
Okay. So you have your
yeah, I do. So
you want to mention? Oh, you not greet her.
She's not. Actually, she's not from the north yet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she's not here.
Okay.
So
Okay, superstar. I find out where it's going to come from.
Yes. Sunkubon mpoka pa kole shaban kole na masa. Ne santam money tina la program ngoma.
my brother. As we will bring him up so before not come out.
Okay.
Yeah, nisa kama monitor program nguma pour son mo kam pora. Man kin corrupt mbalama kin at 225 nation.
Okay.
Vutungza arise mpala munyente ya vi number 1. Maddest rapper alive.
Okay.
So itabu katu para but nama na small problem with my social media.
Okay.
Especially my YouTube.
Okay.
Our YouTube subscribers is very down. So ngukam the program nguma akute YouTube until make kin corrupt.
Okay.
Kin corrupt my dingina. Ka subscribe. So that you come project come.
Okay.
And apart from YouTube man,
okay.
BT Jam man the track company, I could play any social media. They are on Audio Mac,
okay.
They are on Spotify,
okay.
Apple Music, iTunes, Deezer, all those social media and what's my King Corrupt accounts on them.
Okay.
And our songs are all there.
Okay.
So wherever you go to just enter King Corrupt,
okay.
you will see our songs.
Okay.
So
King Corrupt from Kapara. Okay, so I find out where some bala.
Actually, I'm single, 100% single. Yes.
So I want to get a look at Ambo.
Message. But call it feel. But call it feel.
I don't see that good. I don't know what to okay.
I want to greet our overlord, the chief of Ufuteng himself.
Okay.
Special greetings to him.
Okay.
And greetings to you, DJ, for holding us down.
Okay.
Greetings to Defana.
Okay.
Then Paturu Yingunza.
Okay.
Officer Manunya, Gona Chimbumaza.
Okay.
The Zampur Sumbo, Buya Karichama.
Okay.
Lolo Kampiza Machambente.
One of the artists who rap hip hop, Kaso Yela, Vertonu Bamazani Koyamakino Wula, Wendal Bakapuni Tapsongo, the Mami Homa Yele. So Piala Family Richard could be a Verton Band, the Zomona, Yoko Kanaka, Pang, you Bob the Dankiana, Payola Mafubala, Iban Bagani,